How to work with titles and captions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page to start working with titles and captions. To add a title, go to the effects library on the left side and find the title section. Pick the type of title you want, like a simple text or a lower third, and drag it onto the timeline above your video clip where you want it to appear. Then, click on the title clip in the timeline and open the inspector panel on the right. Here you can type your own words and easily change the font, size, color, and position. Next, if you want to add captions or subtitles, right-click on the video track and select Add Subtitle Track. After that, select Create Caption from the inspector panel. You can type the captions for each part of your video, adjust the timing so they match the speech, and style the captions using the inspector. If you already have captions saved as subtitles files like SRT, DaVinci Resolve lets you import them. Just go to the File menu, choose Import, and select your subtitle file. This saves time and keeps captions synced perfectly with your video. And that's it. Now you know how to work with titles and captions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.